Good evening, everyone. This will be a brief video reviewing what we did today in class. We will also have another opportunity tomorrow to do the same thing. And we are going to be looking for finding equivalent fractions. We're going to take a fraction of 4/5 and we're just going to find two equivalent fractions for 4/5. In order to do that, we can take this number down here. We can multiply it by 2, but we have to multiply our same number at the top by 2 as well. If we do that, we will have 8/10, and 8/10 is equivalent to 4/5. We can continue that process by multiplying also 4/5 times 3 at the top and the bottom, and that'll give us 12/15. We can also take this and continue that process. Basically what we're doing is we're finding the multiples of the top number and the bottom number, and they must be the same, and if they are the same, then they are equivalent. So this evening I'm going to give you a number that you're going to find the equivalent fraction for. Find two equivalent fractions for 4/10. Again, find two equivalent fractions for 4/10, and be ready to discuss them tomorrow. We will also deal with simple fractions, or making our fractions into their simplest form. Okay? And in order to do that, let's take our 4/10 for example, and we just go backwards. So instead of multiplying, we're going to divide it by its greatest number. And we're going to ask ourselves, what's the greatest number that will divide into both 10 and 4? And the largest number that will divide into both of them evenly would be 2. And when I divide it into both of them evenly, I have 2/5. Okay? So again, we're going to deal with simple forms, but we're also going to deal with equivalent fractions again tomorrow. So we're going to deal with two different concepts tomorrow. But I still want you to take the 4/10, and I want you to find the equivalent fraction, or two equivalent fractions for 4/10. I'll explain simplest forms tomorrow, or simple forms tomorrow of fractions, and have a good evening. Bye-bye.